Calling this particular press conference is to brief the media and about the progress of Ujjwala scheme. As you all are aware, in 2010, Pradhan Mantri 16 to Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana had started in UP by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. The initial target was 5 crore, under which the free LPG connection was provided to be provided by 5 crore BPL household. So in March 2019, that target is extended to 3 crore. In August 2018, that is this year, the industry has crossed 5 crore mark. I mean, all three OMCs, HPC, BPC, IOC, they have combined, they have crossed 5 crore marks, which is 8 months ahead of the target. As you all are aware that in this year only the PMUY, extended PMUY scheme is also launched. That means earlier the BPL households, those were covered only through SECC list, that is socio-economic census. But now in extended PMUY, they have included the 7 other categories like SC/ST households, then beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, that is PMAY, Antyodaya Anna Yojana, that is AAY, forest dwellers, most backward class, that is MBCs, and T and X tea garden tribes, as well as people residing in islands and river islands. So just to brief about Goa state, in Goa we have given more than 1,000 connections under this particular scheme, and in which IOC has released 83 in North Goa, BPC 314, HPC 348, and similarly for South Goa, total 309 connections have been released, HPC 277, BPC 4 and IOC 28. So in all, total coverage of LPG in Goa state is more than 120%, which was 108 in 2016. So definitely with the this PMUY scheme, the LPG penetration has also increased across India and as well as in Goa.